I'm gonna spend all my cash, 'cause it ain't coming with me when I go. I'm gonna fall in love fast, and if my heart gets broken, I'll be grateful for the moments that we had. Saying I should act my age, but when I was a child, I was unafraid, and I'm not running from the rain.
Dito kami ngayon sa Zambales Beach. Malawak siya, puta, ang ganda. Fuck, I'm gonna make a 360 video.
Live without regret. Shake hands with everyone I met along.
Eh, makakasama natin si
Hi.
Catherine.
Hi.
Hi Jordan.
Hi!
Hi Mia.
Hi.
Hi Clark.
Hello!
Hi Pikit. Hi Zar.
Hi.
I'll take the
Wala, kahit pa.
while I'm still young.
Parang kaming kukun. Si Clark, Metapod. Si Clark. Yan.
Ikaw,
Kayong kamay ko talaga.
Metamod. Ikaw, Metamod. Metamod. Hi guys.
Hi.
Live tayo.
Live. Such an improvement. Exposure.
I know I'll live to see another day. Saying I should act my age, but when I was a child, I was unafraid, and I'm not running from the rain. I'll be living on the edge, baby. While I'm still young, I'm gonna live without regret. Shake hands with everyone I met along the way, and I won't leave a word unsaid. I'll take the long road instead. While I'm still young.
Para sa matagal na samahan.
Sa power.
Power.
In between. Ano to? Ano? 100.
Thanks.
Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, go! Nadagdagan na naman ang kaban. Mga kaibigan, galing kay Jordan. Ayoko na, kami.
President. 370 na!
How do you feel right now?
I feel so nervous.
Is it your first time?
No, but it's my first time Halloween like that.
Wow!
Kaya magkatabi tayo.
I'm feeling great. Hi. So, what can you say about the waves?
I'm so hot.
Oh, thank you. Hey Clark. Hey Clark, are you feeling nervous right now? What? Hey Roulette. 亲抹茶。
希望啥？
Kaya! Pak, 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 pak. Putang ina! Ay, gaso! Galing! Chika babes! Round 2?
Round 2!
Round 2?
Ang saya! Babalik ang puto!
Natuwa sila sa surfing. So ayun si Jordan. We say refund daw. Taray! Holy shit! Maka-video lang.
I'm so tired! I'm tired! Oh my goodness!
Saya.
I'm happy. This is Mikay. That one is Oslo. You know Oslo? Hi! We're very good.
Ano nangyari?
Nakakahiya kasi nung umalon, kumanin yung shorts ko.
Pumasok yung buhangin sa shorts ni Madam. Pumasok yung shorts sa buhangin ni Madam.
Sa mga lupain ko. Habulin mo ako.
Bauninam. Isa pong natatanging pagkakataon ang mapadpad po dito sa Zambales at nakakita ng isang lamang dagat na napakalaki. So dito lang po natin siya nakita at swerte tayo dahil nandito siya ngayon. Ang kulay yelo na balyena na dito lang matatagpuan sa Zambales. Ayan.
Endangered.
Sila po yung mga nakakita doon sa whale shark.
May whale.
Whale shark!
May whale shock. There's a whale shock.
May whale shark. Kailangan niya po ng mouth-to-mouth resuscitation.
Renunciation. And 1, 2, 3.
Kailangan ipasok yung pa sa bukan.
1, 2, 3, go.
Napagod ako lumangki.
Ayan, dito lang nyo po yung nakita. First time, Zambales.
Zambales po.
No one could tell me that you would be mine. I can't believe my eyes tonight. How can I stay in this wonderful dream? Ooh, wanna see ya, wanna see ya. I still recall when you first said hello. Just couldn't get you out of my head. I wanna be with you every day.
Hi guys!
Hi.
10:45. Nagutom. Nagutom si Kat.
Nagutom. Nag-angel burger.
Pero syempre hindi kami talaga yung tuloy na gutom. Ayun.
Yes. Ayun po. Talaga naman. Apat po sila.
Ayun po yung order ng bulto.
Buy one, take four.
Buy one, take four yung in-order ni Jordan. Good morning. How was your first morning at PBB house?
I'm so tired. I'm still sleepy.
Bye. Yun lang pala pinag-usapan. Hi guys.
I'm crazy about you, I'll make you alright. Ooh, can't resist ya, just can't resist ya. Just
Hi guys.
Power.
Power. Ba't siya naka-rush guard? Pakita yung boobs ni Madam. Kumakita ang boobs sa instinct. Kung singkitin ba yung utong. Naka-inverted. Inverted. Inverted. Big youth.
my love is gonna make you through the night. When I show you the light, show you the light.
Lagi mo ako labandera.
Ayan na po, nagbibihis na po si Zar. Hintayin po natin makita ang kanyang bug.
No one can tell me that you would be mine. I can't believe my eyes tonight. How can I stay in this wonderful dream? Ooh, wanna see ya, wanna see ya.